Tell about yourself.
I'm Ajith, 17 years old and currently studying 12th standard.
Okay, what about your father? What about your
My father is a PWD contractor and my mother is a housewife.
How many siblings you have?
I have one sibling studying in 5th standard.
Fifth standard. That means you are the elder one?
I'm the elder one.
Okay. Ajith, you told your name, right?
Yes, Ajith.
Okay. So Ajith, in India we found the most of the problems, as per my opinion, it arises due to the religion.
Yes, sir.
So what is your opinion on that?
So before saying my opinion, what I feel is, me being born in Hindu religion, it's my ultimate duty to respect my religion and do the rituals of my religion.
Okay.
But at the same time, it's none of my duty to point out on some other religion by saying you are not right.
Okay.
Our religion is the great.
Correct.
Every religion have its own importance in the society.
Correct.
So what I feel is, we should be equally treated. Everyone should be equally treated. No one have a higher grades and no one have low grades.
Correct.
Now in this India,
Correct.
it's major problem. So one more thing is that we all know that God is the ultimate source.
Correct.
Irrespective of what religion you have your own representative God. So God is the ultimate source.
Correct.
I guess in this world, without His permission, nothing is going to happen. So when there is a religion, it is with His permission. So what I feel is, when He only gave the permission, we are no one to go and question on them. So I feel that being in a universal brotherhood is more important than rather fighting with other religious people.
Hello viewers, really it's disappointing us that many people are watching our videos but only subscribe percentage is 0.3%. This is your channel. Please do subscribe for supporting us. Do like and share.
In our India, one more crisis is that is caste system reservation. So what do you think about the caste system reservation? Is that good or as per your opinion?
So when the caste system was implemented after independence, it was to give job opportunities and equal rights to everyone in the society. So now it has been so long after independence, and what's happening is everyone is not getting equal opportunities in the society.
Correct.
For example, if we take, I belong to general category. For me, it's really high to get into any selection.
Correct.
And according to me, caste system reservation have both good and bad things. But I say more than good, it's bad. And also people who belonging to the lower caste, sorry for this, but according to my observation, people who are rich in the lower caste are only using these opportunities.
Okay.
I'm damn sure this reservation is not applicable to everyone in the present life. Most of them are not aware of the reservations also.
Okay.
So when we say India as a single nation, I guess everyone should be given equal rights.
Correct.
There is no lower caste, there is no higher caste.
Correct.
Everyone is equal everywhere.
Right.
Everyone. There is a saying also, everyone is equal in eyes of law. So, and also when we see examination thing, we get high marks, some other get low marks, but the people who get low marks will be selected.
Correct.
So I guess more than good things, there is a bad thing in caste reservation system as per now.
So as per already you told that caste system reservation is bad. So could you give any examples, like say appointment of doctors?
Yeah.
So in this we have seen many other example in our surrounding. So could it be possible to give any?
Yes, sir. As you mentioned about medical field, there are two aspects of it. One is at the final year examination, and other is the NEET UG. Coming to the NEET UG, what happens is, however, how much ever hard work you do, finally your seat will be reserved on your caste. And also after 5 years term completion for your exam, there will be a certain level of marks for each caste system, and I guess this is not good, sir, because see, when there is a limitation, you will work for it. But when you know, for example, you have 100 marks, and when you know 40 marks is enough for you to pass,
Correct.
you won't take it serious. But at the same time, when you know 90 marks is for pass, irrespective of what caste you are, sir, you will aim it. When you know only 40 is the passing mark, you will aim for 40. When there is no level of, it's a very low level of
Correct. So actually
education.
definitely the person who found that much marks enough for me, then why they're supposed to do work more?
Yeah, that's what. If he's having interest also, he don't care for it.
Correct.
So I'm not saying caste, the people belonging to some other caste is they don't read and all, but what happens is the government is degrading them.
Ajith, what do you think about the relationship? Which one is good? Blood relation? No, definitely the blood relation only we will tell that they're good. But sometimes we found that non-blood relations also it is good. So what is your opinion on that?
Sir, for me there is no blood and non-blood relationship. Everyone who I'm related to is my relation. So according to me, I'm related to everyone in this world, sir. For people who love me, I'm their loved one. And for people who hate me, I'm their enemy. And for those people who don't know me, I'm unknown to them. So when I belong to everyone, there is no such barrier like blood and non-blood relationship.
For the society, we have discussed many things. For the society, any advisable words you have for them? Could you reveal anything?
I guess I'm not in such age to advise the society or not. But what one thing I need to advise is rather request or suggestion to the society and the people is before in 1947 when we got independence, we were in such society where caste system was required. But now I guess it's not required. So I guess people should have a mind of thinking that India is a sovereign country and being secular, it's important for every caste to be equal with everyone. There is no such higher caste or lower caste. So if possible, please understand this and work on it. Thank you.